We did a reform in the Dutch healthcare system, I think, about 12 years ago. And what we did actually, we included more market forces into the system. So what went there is like much more competition on the healthcare provider side and much more competition on the insurer side. So the government was much more made a step aside. So the government just made the total regulation of the system, but did a step back. And so now the insurers now negotiate with the healthcare providers, and this is actually the main part of the system. So insurers try to attract consumers, and consumers can choose between insurers. Because consumers can choose, they can also choose the right insurer. So this is actually the first step in our new system in the Netherlands, as we have much more competition on the insurer side. And then insurers, they make contracts with hospitals and with private clinics. I think this works quite nicely, and it increases much more the dynamics into the system. So also healthcare providers become much more dynamic and new, and then try to invent new things and try to improve the system.